Hey, it's Teacher David from Guys with Games. I've got a short one for you today. This game is called Make Teacher Say Yes, and I usually play it after one of the bigger games that we go over on our channel here. So what happens is I'll go over to the winning team and I'll say, oh yeah, winners, winners, good job. And then I'll say, losers, okay, you guys can stand up and you can earn a star as well, or candy, or stickers, whatever your award system is. But I say, you guys stand up, and in order to sit down, you have to make teacher say yes, okay? So I want you to ask me yes, no questions. For example, can you, do you, are you, anything like that, or is something. So I don't allow them to ask me very easy questions. For example, I'm 190 centimeters tall, or 6'2". Teacher, are you tall? I'm like, of course, like, that's too easy, that's a baby question. Maybe if the kids are really young and they're just learning English, I'll let them ask me a question like this. But usually I want something more interesting, something like, have you been to this place, this city inside of our country? And if it's an interesting question, I'll say yes, and they can sit down. So that's usually something that I do as a kind of in-between different activities throughout the class. So make teachers say yes. There's also another one that involves more participation from both sides of the class, and this is called Yes, I Do. So the losing team will have to stand up, and now the winning team is actually going to be the ones asking the questions, and they're going to say yes. But the rule is the players have to say, yes, I do. Okay, so for example, do you like Jessica? Yes, I do. Okay, so that's a strange one, but usually my junior high students or high school students might try and embarrass someone. Usually I'll try and ask a better question, ask a different question. So something like, let's see here, do you like to eat durian fruit? Yes, I do. Or do you think Teacher David has a good bum bum? Oh, yes, I do. Whatever kind of question, something that's going to be kind of like embarrassing for them. You know the level of your students though. I would say with the younger students, this game can be kind of like because some might cry because they take it too seriously. So I'd watch it with the younger students, but definitely with your older students, it's kind of funny to see what they come up with. For example, do you wear a bikini at the beach, Justin? Yes, I do. So something like that. So that's yes, I do, and make teacher say yes. And those are both great punishments or little after game activities that you can kind of play. And it's again practicing the English language. Another one for those in-between games kind of moments or in-between activities kind of moments, and you've got a losing team and a winning team. So again, you'll have the losing team stand up, and the winning team this time gets to say be a blank. All right, so for example, I'm on the winning team, so I'll say to Carson, be a dog, and Carson has to go wog wog, or be a pig, something like that. So you can say be an animal or be a car, and I don't know how you're going to be a car, but the kids will come up with something crazy. Be a hamburger, and Carson goes like this. And then if they do a good job, they can sit down. So this is for your younger kids. Be a babu or be a blank. Awesome.